Gigo.
LED torch. Today, we are going to look at how to attach an LED to the battery holder. You will need a battery holder and an LED like this one. Please take a look at LED. It has different left legs. From your own perspective, keep the longer leg towards the right side of the battery holder. You can see here, there are two small holes. We will put the longer leg of the LED into the right hand side. If we align it correctly, it should be slide in. When plugging it in, we have to hold the LED leg to make sure it goes in straight. Otherwise, the legs may bend and it will look all crooked. Finally, put the second battery in. And if you see the light bulb is lit, then that means we got it right.